Tired of your shows getting cut off mid-scene? Let's make sure that never happens by exploring all the ways you can pay your YouTube TV bill, keeping you connected to your favorite live and on-demand content. First, let's head over to your YouTube TV account to get started. You can do this on your TV, phone, tablet, or computer. Next, select your profile picture in the upper right-hand corner. This will bring up the main account menu. Now, navigate down and click on Settings. This is where you manage all account-related preferences. Alright, once you're in Settings, find and select the billing option. Here's where the magic happens. On the billing page, you'll see your current payment method. If you want to make changes, simply click Edit. This will open up your options. From here, you can add a new credit card, debit card, or even connect your Google Pay account for seamless transactions. Just enter your payment information securely, making sure all details are accurate. Once you've added or updated your payment method, YouTube TV will automatically charge your chosen card each month, ensuring uninterrupted access to your favorite channels, and that's all there is to it. Now you know all the ways to pay your YouTube TV bill, ensuring you never miss a moment of your favorite shows. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV tips. Happy watching!